Today we'll be learning about Bitrefill Rewards. To use rewards, you'll need an account. So log into your existing account or create a new one. It just takes an email address. With Bitrefill Rewards, you'll earn 1% back in Satoshis on any purchase. On select items, you'll earn up to 6% back in Satoshis. Today I'll be purchasing a Steam gift card. You can choose to add to cart and purchase directly or purchase as a gift. To purchase as a gift, add the recipient's name, the recipient's email, your name, a message offering best wishes, choose instant or scheduled delivery, and choose a theme for the delivery email. Then click Add to Cart. I'm not going to purchase as a gift today, so I'll be canceling and I'll add to cart. Once I add to cart, I can choose to keep shopping or check out. Here's the payments page. You'll see exactly how many sats you're earning in rewards. You can choose to confirm your payment or change your payment method. Today I'll be using my rewards balance to purchase my product. You can choose other payment methods on this page as well. Now that I've chosen my rewards balance, I'll confirm payment. My gift card has been delivered, and now I can choose to redeem my Steam card at my leisure. If you don't have enough rewards to purchase a product outright, you can combine your rewards with other payment methods. So I'll be buying another Steam gift card and proceeding to checkout. This time, on the payments page, I'm also going to change my payment method to Bitrefill Rewards balance. But it will show me that since it's insufficient, I have to combine it with a different payment method. I'll be combining with USD. Once I've chosen my combined payment method, I continue. It will show me how much I'm paying in rewards, how much I'm paying in USD, and I'll confirm my payment. Once my order is complete, I can redeem my code. Here's how many Satoshis I've earned in rewards. And if I go to my account page, the banner up top shows me how many rewards I've earned in total, and also shows my remaining spendable balance.